The Brockwood Worm Shifter makes worm farming more enjoyable and profitable. Are you tired of the drudgery that comes with trying to sift worms with a hand screen? Does the noise of an electric sifter insult your eardrums? Do you suffer from arm and back pain from lifting and bending using an early model dual screen worm harvester? Does your dual screen harvester require frequent and expensive maintenance and repair? Do you have a large mechanical sifter that's difficult to move and takes up valuable floor space when it's not being used? If you answered yes to any of these questions, you should consider the advantages of the new Brockwood Worm Shifter. The Brockwood Worm Shifter is a semi-automatic worm harvester that sifts and separates castings, cocoons, and worms in a single pass. The shifter is a simple design with a one-level sifting bed and 3 exit chutes. The ergonomic working level of the sifting bed eliminates most of the bending and lifting that causes back and arm pain. When the production run is complete, the Brockwood Worm Shifter can be easily rolled to a storage area to free up floor space for other activities. It does an excellent job of sifting and collecting castings, cocoons, and worms. First, the castings drop through a customized primary perforated aluminum screen into chute number 1. Then, the remaining mixture of worms and cocoons move down to the second customized perforated aluminum screen, where the cocoons drop through into chute number 2. Finally, the worms glide over the second screen and drop off into the end chute to a waiting production bucket filled with fresh bedding and feed mix. The Brockwood Worm Shifter is the result of 17 years' experience developing our equine manure and bedding sifter. This simple yet highly effective sifter will save time, money, and back-breaking drudgery in worm farm operations, just as it had saved equestrian center owners and laborers for the past 17 years. The 3 exit chutes create the best possible collection system with less than 1% of the worms going into the cocoon collection bin. These worms can easily be retrieved at the end of the production run. Our system eliminates the back-breaking labor of hand sifting or other electro-mechanical harvesters. The unique design of the worm shifter is what makes it so effective. The angle and oscillating speed of the sifting screen are optimized for quick, smooth, efficient sifting. The oscillating action does a great job of sifting and separating the castings and cocoons while the worms are moved gently down the screen to the new feed bucket. Breakdowns are not an issue because there are no high-wear parts involved. Normal replacement parts are readily available in the spare parts kit and are easily replaced in a few minutes. Watch how the harvesting operation is done in 7 easy steps. Step 1. Position the casting and cocoon collection bins under the shifter. Step 2. Place the fresh bedding and feed bucket under the worm collection chute. Step 3. Turn the shifter on. Step 4. Pour a production bucket of worms, castings, and cocoons on the uppermost end of the sifting screen. Step 5. Scoop fresh bedding into this empty production bucket while the machine is sifting. Step 6. Place this now filled production bucket under the worm collection chute. Step 7. Stack the completed bucket on the pallet. Repeat steps 4 through 7 until you're done with your production line. Note that there is no double handling of buckets. No bending over to transfer the worms into their new bedding, and no wasted motion or space. The machine is as quiet as standing next to a working microwave oven. There is an optional input hopper to wrap the bucket on, which makes the job even faster and more efficient. As you can see, the production area stays clean because all the material is directed by the chutes and it goes into the proper receptacles, Everything is collected in bins or buckets and nothing goes on the floor. The shifter can be used in conjunction with a conveyor system to collect the castings for larger vermiculture businesses. Let's hear the benefits of the worm shifter from a commercial worm farmer.
I just love my new worm sifter. No hearing protection needed, no bending at the waist. I can run this whole unit all by myself. Very efficient model. It also has very little maintenance, easy to maneuver in and out just by myself. I've done a lot of research on this model. This is the model that I would buy.
Here are the advantages of the new Brockwood Worm Shifter. The steel parts are coated with powdered enamel and then baked to a hard finish for years of protection. Wooden parts are spray coated with 2 coats of tough acrylic outdoor enamel. The motion system is driven by a 1/3 horsepower, totally enclosed, fan-cooled Leeson motor, industrial grade. The worm shifter is portable and can be easily rolled into a storage area when not in use. The investment required is quickly recovered through profits from savings in time and labor. This machine is very flexible and can be used in multiple types of operations. Shifters are priced so that growing business owners wanting to move up to an automated machine can do so. Small and large commercial worm farmers will enjoy the benefits of this machine at significantly less cost than any other machine on the market today. And did I mention that the Brockwood Worm Shifter can be ordered with a simple phone call? We accept MasterCard, Visa, Discover, and American Express, and we ship via UPS Ground. Allow 1 week lead time from order to shipment. Call or email us for more details and current pricing. Call now and order yours today. To order your Brockwood Worm Shifter, call 812-837-9607. Don't wait. Call today.